Hi, welcome to Jerusalem Playroom. I am showing you guys this doll that I thrifted and I named her Gianna. I had her for a couple of years and I am just showing you guys how I'm dressing her with this little white onesie. I have this little polka dot Carter's dress. I think that was a newborn size. Some little white lace socks and then some little crochet blue shoes that I got and this little blue head bow. So I didn't really want to do a video and talk. I just wanted to do a voiceover because I have been under the weather. No fever or anything like that. Is more so mental. So what I did is I got up, came in the playroom. Well, actually, I got up, had a cup of coffee, came in the playroom, and decided to redress some of my dolls. This is a way that I deal with whatever situation I'm dealing with. It's doll therapy. It is how I cope with certain things. I know many may not understand. It's not for them to understand. It's for me to understand and to help me out. And I just wanted to show how I do that. I know that there are many others who show videos where they dress their dolls and play with their dolls. Yet sometimes you just really don't want to talk. Sometimes you just want to be quiet so you can focus and think. Instead of me just doing a video where you were just listening to silence, I just said I'll just do a quick voiceover and I'm not gonna talk the whole entire video. um, when I am out thrifting, I always think about the babies that wore the clothing, how they're doing, how old they are now. And I just really like looking at baby clothes. I don't know. I don't know why. I do know why. I just think about, the babies that are born into the world. And I mostly think about if they're safe. And here, guys, I'm just showing you in that shoe, it was just some stuffing. And I don't throw it away. I always save it in case I need to restuff a doll or something like that. And I just wanted to show y'all that it's really cute. I have the blue pair, the yellow pair, and I think I have a pink pair. I don't know if I got the white pair or not. They had a lot of them at my thrift store, and I should have got them, but at that time I just got what I decided that I wanted. And those could be used for a little boy or a little girl. I'm just putting it on this doll because it matches that blue polka dot in the dress. So anyway, I just like seeing little clothing that I like to dress my dolls in. And I just like to make them look cute. I like to see babies dressed cute and clean. And when I used to work at the daycare, if a parent would bring extra clothes, I would always change their clothes before they went home. Because I never knew if the parents was going to go out somewhere else or, had another errand to run. And I wanted to make sure their baby was clean because kids and babies can get dirty real quick. So here I am just looking around, and I'm going to put a little hair grease on her hair because this doll here, it is a manufactured doll where the hair is rooted. So, and it's thick, guys. It's really thick. And I like that because I want to say this doll was manufactured in, I want to say the 1980s. I could be wrong. It could be older than that. But back then, with the dolls, most of them always had hair that was resembled to an afro. So I'm not mad about that at all, because most little babies have little afro. So here I am just picking her hair out and checking her eyebrows. And this doll did not have any eyebrows. I actually drew some on, but I noticed that it's time for me to update them and draw some more. So I will be doing that, but not in this video. So I am just getting ready to hold her back up so you guys can see her and see what she looks like. And that way, if you know you want to look for a dress similar and dress your doll up, you can. But you know, the thrift store have so many different dresses and clothing. It's never ending. I mean, the options is just endless. And this is what she looks like. I think she looks really pretty with it, especially with that blue bow to match her shoes. And I'm just turning her around so you guys can see the back. Now this plastic bin I got from my job. I work near the heart surgery room. So that package comes with some things that deals with the heart when they're doing heart surgery on patients. So anytime I see them, I always ask the guys, could I get them? And they let me get them. I think I got about 4 of them now. But I think they make just great bassinets, you know, for display props for my dolls. So I just used that in there. I was going to try to make my own little bassinet, but probably not right now. But anyway, I'm just putting that blanket over there because it fits. A standard size pillow will fit in there, and I just use the receiving blanket, and then I put this little thicker blanket here on top of that as a, you know, to make it soft. And this is actually how they take photos of babies in the hospital. They do have, the hospital has hired photographers, yet if you do not want to use the photographer at the hospital, you can decline and use your own camera. And here I'm showing you guys, this is some expired milk in a pacifier that was donated to the playroom. The milk is expired. I just use it for just for play. And here is what she looks like in the little bassinet. So many babies will come in the bassinet. They'll be wrapped, and I'm showing you guys the little label. All babies will have a pink one or a blue one, a pink one for the girl, a blue one for the boys, with their name, doctor information, and mom. That little plaque I got from the Dollar Tree years ago. That little rattler. And I'm just trying to see how I want to place her. Just really playing around with her, guys. Clearing my mind, trying to think of positive things. I think she looks really pretty. I'm holding her up again. And I think that little plastic thing, that's really, I mean, it's perfect. I was looking for a bottle. There it is. As you can see, I'm opening up the bottle in the nipple. And they have so many different types of nipple. It's just beyond. I'm like, oh my goodness. They have so many different type of nipples. That's just one kind. This dog cannot take a bottle. It was just for play. That's why I have that little soft cloth up under her, because I knew the milk was I didn't want her dress to get dirty. Even if it did, I'll wash it. But I just wanted to, you know, show it was just for play. And I always throw the milk away. At this particular time, as when I open it, it's still in the bottle. Sometimes I mix them with a little water, but I didn't in this case. Now I should have did the bassinet like I'm blinking like a little rattle. I should have did the bassinet like they did at the hospital, but I didn't because I used to. I was one of the ones who would in the spare time help set up bassinets for moms because we would have to pre-do them before the babies are born, before actually the mom went down to postpartum. So in labor and delivery, I used to, they came with like gowns, wipes. They had what was called a newborn packet. And I'm showing you guys this plastic. It's really sturdy too. It's good, really sturdy. But they would get a pack of diapers, a pack of wipes, a syringe, bulb syringe. And I'm trying to see what else. I think they got a brush, or I think they came in a newborn packet. I forgot what the newborn packet came with, like a little basin for you to wash them, and some lotion and baby wash. So they don't come with a whole lot, you know, just really one pack of diapers. And the diapers supposed to be for when they are at the hospital. And here I'm showing you guys a little pink blanket that I'm going to wrap her up in. But yeah, they just really give enough for when they are at the hospital. And they do send, you know, you do go home with a little extra, but it's not like a lot to last you through a week. So, which is why I always say when, you know, giving a baby shower, I would suggest a gift would be to donate a like Walmart or Target gift card with enough money on there for the mom to get some formula, because they do not go home with a lot of milk. And if you are not on, you know, WIC, babies go through a lot of milk, and most moms, for that reason, they'll choose to breastfeed. But it's still good to have a can or two, just in case. That's a backup. But anyway, guys, I'm not going to hold you for long. I just wanted to show you this video. Enjoy ya. And thank you so much for watching.